Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable macros in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down on the left panel and select Options. And now you want to go and select Trust Center on the left side here, and then select the Trust Center Settings button. Where it says macro settings, go ahead and select that. And if you want to disable all macros with notifications delivered, you can select that, or you can disable all macros without notification, and you would select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.